It is time to get out and hunt some more old coins. Looky there. First one up, Trusty Weedy. Can't get a date off of it. But we're gonna keep hunting. We're gonna find some silver today. We're gonna find some old coins. We're gonna have a blast. All right, see you on the next find, guys. Sorry for the wind, guys, but that makes Weedy number 2. Let's see if we can get a date off of that. I can't see it right now. Let's see if I can turn it just right. Look what I just saw on the ground. Yep. That is a broken Indian point right there. That thing is a beaut. Nice, nice, nice. Woo! Look at this. That thing was sun-toned. Right on the surface. We got a 57 Rosie right there. Silver dime. First silver of the hunt. That is very awesome. I knew it'd be out here. Let's see if we can get some bigger stuff. Guys, I think we got shiny again. Bring it up 90. We got a silver Washington quarter there. Nice. 1954. Sweet. Just pulled up another Weedy right next to that quarter. So what we got here? The 40s. 44 Denver. Sweet. Here's something a little different. 1940 Jefferson there. Can't tell if there's a mint mark. It's got too much crud on there, but I think it's probably just going to be a Philly. Still, nice old nickel. Has pulled up another nice old Jefferson here, 1958. And it's going to be a Denver. Nice. Just hit another little spot of weeds. Found one right there. Came over here, got another one. This one's going to be a 42. I didn't film the last one. I guess I should have. I'm picking up like crazy. Pulled out of this hole. We got a Weedy spill. Got 2. That's pretty nice. Weedy spill. Guys, I just hit it again. This time we get a 3 Weedy spill right there. Oh, there's a 50 there. 40. Awesome. Sorry for the wind, guys, but we got us another Weedy. Let's see if I can get a date off of it here. That wind is nuts today. No, not right now. But we got another Weedy. Let's keep going. Our next time, guys, found a really nice little button there. Pretty decorative. That's pretty cool. Nice old button. I can believe what I found in the road. Yep, got a busted up iPhone. Too bad. A nice little case on it though. Alright, see you on the next one. Just pulled out another Weedy here. 45, 46. Looks like it's ringing up as, or what I should say, I'm seeing anyway. Alright, let's find some more goodies. Well guys, that's the end of the day for this hunt, and it was pretty successful. We had a great time, and glad to share that all with you. So let's turn around and see and do a wrap up on all of the finds. Here we go. Alright, here we are, guys. Check that out. We ended up with 16 wheat pennies, 2 old nickels. We got 1 silver quarter here, 1954, and a silver dime. And it looks like it's going to be a 57. We get this nice old button there. Just got it sprayed off, kind of looking at it. And we did get the arrowhead point right there. Broken point, but still beautiful. Love finding some native. I did find this phone right here, laying on the surface. It still works. I'm going to try to get it over to the security people, see if they can find out who it belongs to. I think they'll be happy to get the phone back. Check out all this, guys. Yeah, I found this. I was digging. It's a big old piece of pink quartz. So I just picked it up for fun. But lots of pocket change in there, talk of money, lots of marbles. Some really cool stuff. Oh, I did find this dog tag. Didn't show it. It's pretty crusty looking. I got to get it cleaned up before we can know what it is. But yeah, lots of really cool finds. And so I was really good day. Really kind of tired. So And so I'm gonna head back home and get some rest and get ready for work tomorrow, because I took a half a day off to get out here and hunt, and I had a blast. So I will see you on the next hunt. We just got us another weedy, guys. We can get a date off of this one. It's gonna be 50 something. That last number there just didn't want to come out. But 1950 something. Nice little weedy. Let's keep going. Sorry for the wind noise, guys, but check it out. We got us a nice little eagle button there. That is pretty sweet. Awesome. Getting some more nice old marbles there, guys. Check this out, guys. Just got this. Tax commission and sales. Aluminum one there. Not sure what state it's from. State of Washington. Yep, state of Washington. Awesome. Now that is a toy car. That's pretty wild. That's heavy too. It's been down there a little bit. Don't know how long, but it's pretty cool. Next relic. It's a nice little tiny buckle. That's pretty sweet. All brass. Cool. Not gonna believe this, guys, but my second eagle button of the day. Incredible. Wow. Very cool stuff out here. Came back at it again. We're gonna hit this old part of the fairgrounds here. Already found this little escutcheon piece, or maybe a pendant. Really ornate. It's really neat looking though. Made out of brass. All right, we'll see what else we get. Right here, we got us a surface find. Yep. Weedy right on the surface here. Looks like it's gonna be a nice hit. 1947. First weedy in the morning. Awesome. Got me a little Hot Wheel. Look at that. Fire truck. That's pretty sweet. Awesome. Like 'em. Well, guys, this is a pretty nice find. Right next to almost finding a buffalo. Got a 39 right there. That is pretty awesome. It looks like it's going to be a 39 filly. Not that bad a shape for all that how old it is. Well, guys, I just found that buffalo, that 1939 laying on the ground. And check out, you see what I see right there? We got a Merc dime right on the surface, guys. That is amazing. 1941. We got silver on the board. That is crazy. Woo! We just dug us another wheat cent. How nice. I guess it looks like it was the 50s. Yep. 50 something, I'm guessing. Yep. Nice. Sorry guys, right next to the highway there, but I did pull up another weedy. It's going to be a 40s weedy. Pretty happy about that. Let's find some more silver today. That would be fun too. See you on the next find. Well, today turned out to be a pretty good day of hunting. Hitting all this old area where there used to be houses back in the day. And so I did find quite a bit of stuff today. Had fun doing it. Let me flip you around, show you what we got today. All right, bringing you in here. So did find quite a few marbles in there. So it's pretty good, especially old marbles. We got a couple of cars here, little race cars. Nice old cars there. A piece of escutcheon. And then for the cooler finds over here, we did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheat pennies. We got this little escutcheon piece, or little brooch or something. Right there, very ornate. Got a little buckle here, little brass buckle. Got a couple of military buttons. Got the big eagle on them. Those are pretty nice. And got the tax token. Got a part of a watch. And then we ended up getting that 1939 nickel and a Merc dime today. So we got some silver. And ended up getting that little ring there. I think it's just gold plated. I can see kind of like a greenish color come through where the stones were. And yeah, so, but still got a ring, still scored today, so I was pretty excited. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you at this hunt. We're going to head over to the next guy in the Premier train, and we're going to have a blast. And I'll see you next week.